Students, today we have to learn 3 chapters under this session. Let us see the first chapter. Chapter number 1. It is in your page number 9 in the textbook. Page number 9. The name of the chapter is Super Swells. The name of the chapter is Super Swells. Let us see the meaning for the word swells. What do you mean by the term swells? Swells means a person who investigate crime. A person who investigates crime, or simply it is called as a detective. A detective is called as swells. In this lesson, they just give some of the clues to find out the famous detectives. Let us see the first one. Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie is a person. That person created this Belgian detective. We have to find out the name of the detective. The detective belongs to the country Belgium. That can be created by means of a person called Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie created this Belgian detective whose most regular sidekick is Captain Arthur Castins. Let us see the answer for the first one. Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot. So Hercule Poirot is a Belgian detective that can be created by means of a person called Agatha Christie. Move on to the next one. This teenage girl detective. This teenage girl detective features in books written by multiple authors under the pseudonym Caroline Keene. Caroline C. Keene. That Caroline C. Keene created a detective. That detective is a teenage girl. Let us see the answer for this. Nancy Drew. Nancy Drew is a character in American Mystery series. American Mystery series. This is a character present in American Mystery series that can be created by means of a person called Caroline Keene. Let us see the next one. Before that, underline the important keywords. Agatha Christie, Caroline Keene. Arthur Conan Doyle. Arthur Conan Doyle created this character whose adventures are mostly narrated by John Watson. Whose adventures are narrated by means of a person Watson. Let us see the answer. Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes. The Sherlock Holmes is a private detective character that can be created by means of a person called Arthur Conan Doyle. Number 4. Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray created this detective who is assisted by his cousin Topsy and friend Jatayu. The answer for this, Feluda. Feluda. This Feluda is a fictional character. This Feluda is a fictional Bengali private investigator present in series of Bengali novels. Present in the series of Bengali novels. Feluda is a fictional investigator character that can be present in the series of Bengali novels. That Bengali novel was written by Satyajit Ray. So, Feluda is a creator that can be created by means of a person called Satyajit Ray. Underline the keywords for this: Arthur Conan Doyle and Satyajit Ray. Move on to the next one. Charadindu Bandyopati. Charadindu Bandyopati created this Bengali detective who prefers to be called Satyan Vasi. Saradindu Bandyopati created this Bengali detective who prefers to be called Satyan Vasi. The answer, Byomkesh Bakshi. Byomkesh Bakshi. The Byomkesh Bakshi is an Indian Bengali fictional character that can be created by means of a person called Saradindu Bandyopati. Publisher Edward Stratemeyer created this boy detectives. Publisher Edward Stratemeyer created this boy detectives. Let us see the answer. Frank and Joe Hardy. Frank and Joe Hardy, who are brothers living in Bayport. Frank and Joe Hardy, who are brothers living in Bayport. This characters appears in the series for children and teenagers. This series is familiar among the teenage group. Underline the keyword Sarandindu Bandyopadhyay, Edward Stremeyer and Satyen Visi. Let us see the Whisper. Gilbert Chesterton. Gilbert Chesterton, an English writer, created a fictional character. An English writer created a fictional character. The name of the character is Father Brown. That character is assisted by means of an ex-criminal. The name is Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot. These two characters are created by means of a person called Gilbert Chesterton. That Gilbert Chesterton is an English writer. Move on to the next lesson. Numbers in names. Numbers in names. Page number 10 in your textbook. Here in this lesson, let us see some of the clues. They just give some of the clues. With the help of clues, we have to find out the answer. That answer includes some numbers. Okay. Listen the chapter name Numbers in Names. The first one, Phileas Fogg. Phileas Fogg and his servant Passepartout. And his servant Passepartout circumnavigated the globe in around the world in days. Around the world in days. Written by Jules Verne. Is told by Jules Verne. See the answer for the first one. 80. Phileas Fogg and his servant Passepartout circumnavigated the globe in around the world in 80 days. Written by Jules Verne. The Phileas Fogg is a fictional character. This is a fictional character that around the world in 80 days. This is a French novel. That novel can be written by means of a person called Jules Verne. This person is a familiar poet and playwright. This novel is published in the year 1872. Move on to the next one. Alexandre Dumas, author the novel The Musketeers. The Three Musketeers. Alexander Dumas author the novel, the name of the novel, The Three Musketeers, with the titular characters Athos, Porthos and Aramis. The Athos, Porthos and Aramis are the characters that belongs to the category of soldiers. Okay, these are the characters present in the soldiers of European Navy. European Navy. This Alexandre Dumas is a French writer. Listen to the next one. American rapper and singer. American rapper. Rapper means rap music performer. American rap music performer and singer Curtis James Jackson III. Curtis James Jackson III is betterly known by his stage name. The answer 50 Cent. This American rapper and singer Curtis James Jackson III is familiarly known by means of a nickname called 50 Cent. Das Hours is a biographical survival film. Das Hours. 127 Hours. 127 Hours is a biographical survival film that is based on true events. It is based on a true events where the main character was trapped in a canyon. The main character of this movie was trapped in a canyon. What do you mean with the term canyon? It is a deep, narrow valley. That person, the main character of this movie, 127 Hours, was trapped in a deep, narrow valley for over 6 days, and how he survived that can be explained in the movie 127 Hours. It is a drama film that can be directed by Danny Boyle. Underline the keywords for this. Phileas Fogg and his servant, Jules Verne, Alexander Dumas, Athos, Porthos and Aramis, American rapper and singer Curtis James Jackson. Biographical survival film. Main character trapped in a cannon for 6 days. Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Famous novel 100 Years of Solitude. 100 Years of Solitude. Originally written in Spanish, it is a tale of 7 generations of Bendela family. 7 generation of Bendia family. Bendia family means it relates to the Rajputs of Central India. Bendela family is a group of people that belongs to Rajputs of Central India. Next one, Stanley Kubrick. Stanley Kubrick directed the famous 1968 science fictional movie inspired by a short story written by Arthur C. Clarke. Arthur C. Clarke called A Space Odyssey 2001 A Space Odyssey. So this A Space Odyssey 2000 predicts it consists of a digital newspaper which predicts the future. In this movie, a newspaper is present, a digital newspaper is present that predicts the happenings of the future. Next one, Summer of 69. It is a song that can be written by means of a person, Bryan Adams. It was recorded for his 1984 album Reckless. The last one, Shahizad. 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 Shahizad is a storyteller of Das Nights. Shahizad is a storyteller of 1001 Nights. 1001 Nights. That Shahizad is a storyteller. That person can tell a story of about 1000 days. 1000 days. The person can tell the story. The story belongs to the folk tales of Middle Eastern area. Folk tales of Middle Eastern area. At the end of 1001 night, she told that he had no more stories to explain to the king. And the king made her his queen. And finally, the king made her as his queen. Underline the keyword Gabriel Garcia, written in Spanish, 7 generation of Bandia family, Stanley Kubrick, science fiction film, Bryan Adams, and the last one, Shahizad. Let us see the fact. 20th Century Fox. 20th Century Fox was one of the Big 6 American film studio. It is one of the Big 6 American film studio till 2019. It was bought by the Walt Disney Studios. Bought by the Walt Disney Studios. Let us see the third chapter, the Asian Games. It is in page number 11 in your textbook. The name of the chapter is Asian Games. The Asian Games, it is also called as Asia. Asian Games is also called as Asia. Athletes from all Asian countries are welcome to participate in the Asian Games. In that event of Asian Games, athletes from all Asian countries are welcome to participate. It is recognized by International Olympic Committee. It is recognized by International Olympic Committee. It is said to be the second largest multi-sports event. It is said to be the second largest multi-sport event after Olympics. The Asian Games are a continental multi-sport event held every 4 years among athletes from all over Asia. The first Asian Games was conducted in New Delhi in the year 1951. It was regulated by Asian Games Federation. The Asian Games Federation regulated the second largest event after Olympics, that is the Asian Games, that was regulated by means of an Asian Game Federation, AGF. In this lesson, they just give some of the clues about the game Asian Games. About the Asian Games. Read the sentence properly and try to give the answer. The first one, the 1982 Asian Games were held in, the correct answer, New Delhi. Move on to the next one. Das is the only country to have hosted the Asian Games 4 times. 4 times. Thailand is the only country who hosted the Asian Games for 4 times. Next, the first Asia to have the musket was, what do you mean by the term musket? Means symbol. The first Asia which have the symbol, that was 1982 Asian Games, New Delhi. That is the first game where the first Asian musket have introduced. Next, in 1994 was the first time that Asian Games was hosted by a city other than the national capital. Usually the Asian Games are hosted only the national capital of particular country, but in 1994, other than the national capital, a place that Asian Games was conducted was the answer, Hiroshima. In order to promote peace and harmony among Asian nations, the city Hiroshima was selected to host the Asian Games in the year 1994. Then the first symbol of Asia, that is, the first symbol of Asia was introduced in the year 1982. What's the name of that symbol means? Apu. It is a kid elephant. Apu, the kid elephant. Underline the keywords 1982 Asian Games. Asian Games 4 times. Then Muscat. Then first time other than the national capital. Fifth one. Dance was the first time the Asian Games took place in more than one city. In which year? 2018. In 2018, Indonesian country, in the country of Indonesia, 2 cities, namely Jakarta and Palembang. The 2 cities, the Asian Games were conducted. Next one, in 1994, the Asian Games included dance for the first time. So, what's the answer for this? The answer for this is Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is the first country, first introduced in the year 1994. For the first time itself, that country can achieve 27 gold and bronze prizes and 25 silver medals, and stands in the 4th place among the other Asian countries. Next one, dance participated in the Asian Games from 1954 to 1974, but is now excluded. It can be now removed because of some political reason. Was the answer? Israel. Israel is removed from the Asian Games from the year 1975. Okay, from 1975 it can be removed. Before that, 1954 to 1974, that country can participate in the Asian Games, but after 1974 it was removed because of the reason of some political reasons. Dance has competed in all the editions of Asian Games. Only 7 countries that can be participated in all the edition of Asian Games. The clue just they give in the 8th, the correct answer is India. India is the country that competed in all the editions of Asian Games, but normally 7 countries participated. The name of the countries are India, Indonesia, Japan, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Singapore and Thailand. The Asian Games are designed to promote understanding and dance between the Asian countries. So, in order to promote understanding and friendship between the Asian countries, the Asian Games are designed to held. In 1986, Asian were held in Seoul in Seoul in South Korea. The Seoul is a place that is situated in South Korea. In 1986, the Asian was held here. Underline the keywords: more than one city. Which city? Indonesian city. Next, the Asian Games included Kazakhstan for the first time in the year 1994. Then, after 1975, that Israel was excluded from the Asian Games. Next one, India is a country that competed in all the editions of Asian Games. Asian Games are designed to promote understanding and friendship. In 1986, Seoul is the place where the Asian Games was conducted, that is situated in South Korea. Let us see the whisper. Bhutan, Maldives and Timor-Leste have yet to win a single medal in Asian Games. Thank you, students. Thus, the end of this session. Thank you so much.